Hello guys, today at Kids Dream Toys we got the Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Dr. Daisy MD. Come read with us. Crash! Bang! Boom! Oh no! Goofy tripped on his way into the clubhouse. Are you alright, Goofy? Asked Mickey. I think so, said Goofy. He touched his head, his arm, and his nose to make sure. There's a boo-boo on my nose, Goofy cried. Gosh, I've got a boo-boo. Oh no. Just then, Daisy walked into the clubhouse. Did someone say boo-boo? She asked. I know just how to make Goofy feel better. It looks like Goofy's boo-boo just needs to cool down a little bit, she said. Great idea, Daisy, said Mickey. Let's blow some air onto Goofy's boo-boo. Can you help Daisy and Mickey blow some air? It worked! Goofy's boo-boo was all better. Woohoo! You did it! Thanks, Daisy, Goofy said. Did you have any idea that Daisy was such a good pretend doctor? I want to be the best pretend doctor in the whole wide world, said Daisy. And someday I want to get my pretend doctor sticker. Mickey and Goofy wanted to help Daisy get her pretend doctor sticker. Mickey turned to the clubhouse into an office, and Goofy found 4 pretend patients. Look! Pluto, Minnie, Donald, and even a mystery patient came in. Who's the mystery patient?
Toodles.
Toodles?
Toodles.
Will you help Daisy too? Say, Mouska tools. Mouska tools. Mouska tools! To get Mouska tools, Daisy will need help to help her patients. You did it! Here's Toodles! And here are your Mouska tools. A giraffe, a piggy bank, a magnifying glass, and the mystery Mouska tool. A surprise tool that will help us later. How will these Mouska tools help Dr. Daisy? It's time to find out. Everybody say, first patient. Can you say first patient? First patient. Hello, Pluto, said Dr. Daisy. What's the matter? Pluto held up his paw, and Dr. Daisy saw the pretend thorn that was stuck in. Which one of the Mouska tools do you think will help Dr. Daisy pull out the pretend thorn? Can the giraffe help? No, that's silly. What about the piggy bank? No, that can't help either. And the magnifying glass can help Daisy see the thorn but not pull it out. It's time to use the mystery Mouska tool. What do you think it is? Toy tweezers! You betcha! We've got ears, say cheers, said Mickey. Using the toy tweezers, Dr. Daisy gently removed the pretend thorn from Pluto's paw. Pluto barked his thanks. Ruff, ruff. Hot dog, said Mickey. We're ready to call the next patient. Everybody say, second patient. Hi there, Minnie, said Dr. Daisy. What's the matter? Minnie pointed to her tummy and said, I'm pretending to have a tummy ache. I see, said Dr. Daisy. Well, there's only one way to help a tummy ache. That's with a green apple, of course. Oh, I know where I can get green apples, said Mickey. From an apple tree. We're going to need a Mouska tool to reach them, said Daisy. Which Mouska tool can help them reach the apples? Do you see one? Point to it. The giraffe. Good job, Lottie. The giraffe. Right. We got ears. Say cheers, said Mickey. At the apple tree, the giraffe didn't pick any apples to give to Minnie. Instead, it started to eat all the apples on the tree. Just before the giraffe could get the last apple, Mickey reached up and grabbed it. Then he tossed the green apple to Minnie. Minnie felt better just after one bite. Thank you, Dr. Daisy and Mickey. Back in the pretend doctor's office, it was time for the next patient. Everybody say, third patient. Well, it's about time, said Donald as he marched into Dr. Daisy's office holding out his arms. They're asleep, he said. Said Dr. Daisy. I know how to fix sleeping arms with jumping beans. If you hold those beans in your hands, they'll shake your arms awake in no time. There's just one problem. We don't have any jumping beans. I don't know where we can get some, said Mickey, but we'll need some coins. Which Mouska can give Mickey and Daisy coins? The piggy bank. That's right, Lottie. The piggy bank. You've got it right. We've got ears. Say cheers, said Mickey. Where can Mickey and Daisy go to buy jumping beans? Everybody say, Moo Mart. Do you see the jar of jumping beans that Clarabelle has on the shelf? Point to it when you find it. The jumping beans cost 6 coins. Can you count to 6 so that Daisy and Mickey can buy jumping beans and get back to Donald? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You did it! The jumping beans worked. Donald thanked Dr. Daisy. It was time for the last patient, the mystery patient. Everybody say, mystery patient. Do you know who the mystery patient is? It's Pete. How can I help you, Pete, said Dr. Daisy. Pete pointed to his spots. I've got these spots everywhere, he said. You'll never figure out what's wrong with me. He laughed. Gee, said Dr. Daisy, I need to get a close look at those spots. Which Mouska tool can help Dr. Daisy? The magnifying glass. Right, Lottie?
That's the only one left.
The magnifying glass. That's right. Hey, we used all our Mouska tools, said Mickey. Let's all say super cheers. Super cheers. Dr. Daisy saw a chicken inside each spot. Pete was pretending to have chicken pox. The only way to get rid of pretend chicken pox is to shake the spots off with chicken dance, said Dr. Daisy. Can you do the chicken dance with Dr. Daisy and Mickey to help them get rid of Pete's pretend chicken pox? Do the chicken dance! Dr. Daisy, you're a genius, said Pete. Dr. Daisy laughed. Who, me? She said. I couldn't have done it without everyone's help. Was all your help enough to get Dr. Daisy her pretend doctor sticker? It was. Thank you, everybody, said Dr. Daisy. She was so proud. She put on her pretend doctor sticker right away. Hot dog, shouted Mickey. It's time to do a Mouska dance. Do you remember everything we did to help Dr. Daisy get her pretend doctor sticker, said Mickey. We used toy tweezers to pull out the pretend thorn out of Pluto's paw. We used a giraffe to reach the green apples to help Minnie's tummy ache. We got 6 coins out of the piggy bank so we could buy jumping beans to shake Donald's arms awake. And we used the magnifying glass to get a close-up look at Pete's spots. What a hot dog day. See you real soon. Thanks for reading with us today, guys, on Kids Dream Toys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.